Are you a local business owner struggling to attract customers and boost revenue? If so, you're not alone. In today's digital age, having a solid online presence and an effective SEO strategy is crucial for success. But don't worry, we've covered you with 5 simple yet powerful SEO tactics that can help double your revenue. Keep watching to learn these game-changing strategies. So let's get started. Strategy 1. Optimize for local search. One of the most effective ways to reach your local audience is by optimizing your website and online presence for local search. This involves claiming and optimizing your Google My Business listing, including your business's name, address, and phone number consistently across all online platforms. Targeting location-specific keywords, egg, plumber in your city. Encouraging customers to leave reviews can boost your local search rankings. Strategy 2. Focus on on-page optimization. On-page optimization involves optimizing various elements of your website to improve its relevance and visibility for specific keywords. This includes crafting compelling and keyword-rich titles and meta descriptions, optimizing headings, content, and image alt text with relevant keywords, ensuring a fast and mobile-friendly website experience, implementing schema markup to enhance search engine understanding of your content. Download our free SEO toolkit to get access to valuable resources, including keyword research tools, on-page optimization checklists, and local SEO guides. The link is in our description to get free SEO toolkit. Strategy 3. Build a strong backlink profile. Backlinks from authoritative and relevant websites act as votes of confidence for your website, signaling to search engines that your content is valuable and trustworthy. Building a diverse, high-quality backlink profile can significantly boost your search engine rankings. Pursue link-building opportunities through guest blogging, directory submissions, and local sponsorships. Create shareable and linkable content, such as guides, infographics, and industry studies. Leverage influencer marketing and outreach to secure backlinks from influential sources. Strategy 4. Leverage social media and user-generated content. Social media and user-generated content can be powerful tools for local businesses, helping to improve brand awareness, engagement, and search engine visibility. Encourage customers to share their experiences and reviews on social media and review platforms. Respond to customer inquiries and feedback promptly and professionally. Share valuable and shareable content consistently across your social media channels. Leverage social media advertising to reach targeted local audiences. Strategy 5. Continuously monitor and adapt. SEO is an ever-evolving landscape, and what works today may not work tomorrow. It's crucial to continuously monitor your website's performance, track your rankings, and adapt your strategies accordingly. Regularly analyze your website's traffic and user behavior data. Monitor your search engine rankings for targeted keywords. Stay up to date with the latest SEO trends and algorithm updates. Experiment with new tactics and strategies to stay ahead of the competition. If you're ready to take your local business to new heights and double your revenue, it's time to implement these 5 powerful SEO strategies. Consistency and patience are key, as SEO is a long-term investment that can yield tremendous rewards. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative tips. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.